Okay, I'm grinding these bolts over here, this one, and then I will grind this one also, this one, and I will grind this one, 3 of them, so I could take the bolt joint, this old bolt joint out, so I could install the new one. This is for a Ford Focus 2009, and that's the part number of the bolt joint. And if I take it out, it'll come out. It'll come out like this. That's the bolt joint right there. And then you got the bolts and the screws, and that's how it goes. And then the greaser over here to put under the bolt joint, that greaser. Okay, so it's a 2009 Ford Focus. Okay, now I'm gonna do this one. I'm trying to stand my camera. This is Oreo, the puppy Oreo, right, baby? Are you helping me, Oreo? You helping Dada? Okay, I'm gonna see if I could try knocking this down. See if you. Okay, Oreo? Okay, baby? Because that's the only way. I'm going to try it, okay, Oreo? Okay. Going down. fucking cutting. Out of here. Okay, I'm gonna do this over here, right here. Okay, like that. And I'll show you the rest when I come back. So I got the first hole done already. Watch right there. It's going right there, back and forth. I'm gonna continue with the next ones, the next two. I'll come back when I'll come back when I got it when I get it done. Okay? All right, thank you. Okay, so now I got the holes ready. They're all ready to put the ball joint, this ball joint right there. And to put that ball joint, I gotta knock this out. Yeah. Now this is gonna be another problem over here to take this out. I think I'm not sure. Yes. Yes, because I think I'm missing the spots of the pins to get them out for they to get knocked out, you know, right here like this one. Yeah. So I'm gonna knock this out. And I'll show you how it got done, okay? But that's how it done. I'll show you when it's out, okay? Alright, thank you. I'll be right back. Now this is about to come out. Like that. Like that. Put something to give it leverage for it to come out. Further out. Give it leverage again. Put that for leverage right there. Put this for leverage again. Like that. And it's out. And it's out. Now I'm about to put the new one in. This is the new one. This is the new one. Goes like that. That one goes like that. Like that. Let's see. Or maybe, yeah, like that to the bottom. Right? Because I tie it up to the bottom. Right there. And then we put the bolts in. The bolts belong to it. Right there like that. Like that. Oh, and then this is the greaser thing. This is not a big deal. This goes in the bottom. I'll show you the other one. This is the this is the greaser part, right? The grease part that goes inside here like this, like that. And it gets tied up very tight, and then we put grease on it after we're done. We're gonna put grease on that one. Now I'm gonna put this one in. I use that other one that belongs here for the purpose of showing how that goes. And now it's now this one is inside here too. It's in. Okay, I'm gonna tie them up, and I'll be back when I'm done, okay? So now I'm doing this over here. I'm tying the bolts. I've already tied this one. I'm tying this one over here now. I'm gonna tie this up. And then when I'm done, I tie it up very tight like this. Like that. Then I got this one. Like that. Like that. So I'm gonna put it together, and then I'm gonna put the arm, the brake assembly over here, okay? So I'll be right back. Thank you.